let's use GIS to construct a leakage report. So the first step is to sign in. Then I'm going to create a new project. Call the project Leakage Report. Okay, then I'm going to define the area for my report. My example is Murray. Then we're going to go here, Reports. First, I have to build a report. Now, Esri already has a template, so I'm gonna click here, build a report from an existing report. So you're gonna go here on business. It is here, retail market profile. So here's the Esri template. Okay, to do a leakage report. So you can press here, copy the whole report. So you're gonna have the leakage report for every single industry. Now, you are supposed to make changes here. For instance, you can change the logo, you can put a title, don't forget to put your name in the title. I already made a bunch of changes in this report since I've done it before. So I'm gonna get here to my reports so I can see the changes that I've already made. Now, figure out what changes you want to do. Okay, you can split the table and remove error area, or you can include more variables here in the end. So go ahead, play with the report. Once you're done with playing with it, you save it. When you save it, it's going to be accessible here, my report. So here, I already had a template saved, so I'm going to go to my own template, leakage report. So, delete this. Here we are. Now it's my whole template. I already put the Murray State logo here, and etc. Let me modify the title here. Again, don't forget to put your name. I'm going to change the name here because I'm doing this report alone. Delete that. The site name is going to appear automatically here. So I'm going to save this. Murray. That's the template for Murray. You can give the name whatever you want. Okay. Now I am going to run the report. First I create the template, then I run the report. Let me add the site. Okay, so I have one site selected. So I can go here, Murray, leakage report. Here I have Murray City, run now. Can open the report. Here is, for instance, motor vehicle. The demand in Murray is 38, the supply is 75. Therefore, Murray is supplying more than demanding. What that means is that Murray is exporting in the sense that we define in the textbook. Exporting means not to another country but to outside of the region, is exporting $36,000 in motor vehicles. The colors red and green, that's from the previous template, the one that Esri prepared. Actually, they can be deceiving because a county is growing or a region is growing when it's exporting, and when it's exporting it's a good thing, and here it appears in red. Well, because Esri is focusing on the other side of the coin, as it is telling, well, if a county is importing or if a region is importing in a field, in an industry, that means there are good opportunities for that region to establish some retail or establish some firms in that industry. So they are looking at that as an opportunity. Let's grow in the area because we need to start exporting. That's why the numbers here when you are importing are in green. But in reality is a county is growing when it's already exporting in red, and a county is not growing only when it's still importing, which is in green. Okay, so here I have the same results graphed, but what I'm going to do is I'm going to print so I can attach. After you print, you are ready to submit it on Canvas.